Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tell you more about the European Home Improvement Monitor Q2 report on purchase channels.
During the corona pandemic, we've seen a massive increase in the amount of home improvement jobs done by consumers. Besides this, we've also seen a sharp increase of the amount of online purchases made.
But what about the post-pandemic developments? Did the high share of online buying remain? Well, yes and no. We looked at various home improvement categories and we've seen that it's not as high as it was during the pandemic, but still the share of online buying is much higher than it was before the pandemic.
Another key finding of this report is that DIY stores are regaining market share, both with their online and offline operations. This is a clear break with the last decade, where we saw pure online players slowly but steadily gain market share at the cost of DIY stores.
These are just some of the results from the European Home Improvement Monitor, a survey among 26,400 consumers in 11 European countries.
In the full report, we cover all relevant purchase channels used by consumers to buy their home improvement products, both on a general and on a product category specific level. Furthermore, we closely investigated the online stores and how they are operating and evolving over time. The full report covers much more elements in the buying behavior from home improvement products by consumers.
For more information on the report and the full content, please take a look at our website or contact us directly.